This 2019 Airstream Classic 30RBQ is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Jacksonville, Florida 32277 and is offered for sale by Airstream of Jacksonville. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Airstream is 31 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 5 and 54 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features front living area, rear bedroom. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.